Hey guys, it's Fizikio, and today we're here to talk about another peptide. This kind of peptide, though, is not a growth hormone related peptide or a testosterone related peptide, but a cognitive enhancement peptide called Semax. So Semax is interesting because I want to say it was created like in the 80s in Russia, and it was made to be a treatment mostly for like cardiac arrest, strokes, and things that affect blood flow to the brain. But they found out actually that it had a lot of other utility besides just helping people, recover from strokes. So a lot of people have noticed when they take things like Semax that blood flow gets better, not just to the brain, but to other parts of the body, wink wink. Certain people use it for sexual enhancement. Other people find that it helps treat depression and other issues that might have to do with inflammation in the brain. So Semax has a really nice bit of use case, but it almost feels like we don't know everything it can do. Okay, but what does this actually do? So when I was reading about it, it actually helps your body upregulate certain genes, meaning express themselves. So it upregulates immune system related genes, so your immune system might improve. It downregulates genes related to inflammation, so inflammation might actually get better. It also upregulates genes related to stem cell differentiation. So those stem cells float throughout your body and become certain types of cells depending on where they're needed. It upregulates this process, which is really promising actually, like something that interacts with stem cells in that way. You don't really hear about that a lot outside of like stem cell therapy straight up. But let's talk about what this means in a practical sense. What does this mean for me and you if we were to take this? So if you like go on the internet and you start poking around, finding out how people are using Semax, the number one thing you're going to see is brain fog, TBI treatment. You're also going to see people talking about it being used as an Alzheimer's treatment. Also, it's supposed to help with cognition and memory formation. So certain people actually say it improves their memory. So they use it as like a memory aid, kind of like how you would use choline or all these other different nootropics to help improve your memory and improve your learning. We're not really too sure about that in healthy people, but it certainly does do something really important for the brain. Helps with blood flow to the brain, helps protect neurons in hypoxic state. So if you were to have like a brain stroke or something, or you have something wrong with your brain where there's not enough oxygen getting to certain points, it actually protects those parts of your brain from the damage from a lack of oxygen. So it's really interesting peptide. But now, word from our sponsor, Super.com. Super offers Oracle price feeds for over 50 different blockchains. Super has you covered with speed and security. Whether it be liquidation triggers or critical price levels, Super will have your back. Go to super.com/blockworks to find out more. Now, the side effects for Semax are a little weird. So one side effect that people have noticed is that it causes their hair to thin. I don't really have to worry about that side effect, thankfully, Now, another one is it seems to increase anger and overstimulation in certain people. So when they take it, they feel like agitated. And in other people, this becomes outright anger. Now, this is usually administered nasally or through an injection. So certain people get nasal irritation or gut irritation. And some people also get injection site irritation. But for the most part, it doesn't seem to have many side effects that you really need to worry about. So remember, it can help increase cognition, it can be used as an Alzheimer's treatment, can help with brain fog, memory formation, and some people even say it has sexual enhancement benefit, but the jury's still out on that. But what do you guys think? Please like, share, subscribe, comment below, and remember, I've been Fizikio, and I'll see you in the next video.